arrived in our room finally. We are in England and we are going to try to talk British, which is my favorite thing to do. No, I'm just kidding. But I quickly wanted to show you the room because the room is super nice, and my husband is already laying there as if he traveled for like 8 hours or more. I'm going to get ready in a few hours and we'll have dinner, and then let's get the party started. This is so sweet. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's a personal card from Urban Decay, and I got some macarons. So this is the bathroom. Hello, hello. This is our beautiful shower and the toilet, but that's not interesting at all. How come every time you come around my London bridge is going on like London. Hey guys, so I'm here with Urban Decay Cosmetics. I am in London, currently at the Curtain Hotel. And the reason why we were invited to this trip is because Urban Decay Cosmetics and Christian Lian, who recently did a collab together, have a event tonight at this hotel. So it's kind of like a meet and greet, and it's an event, it's a party. So I hope it's going to be nice. I'm super glad I'm invited. And oh my god guys, do you see this pimple? It's not even fun anymore. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah, I do have some very high covering foundations with me. And you guys, I saw Genevieve, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but dead. I love her so much. And I saw her and oh my god, her makeup was so on fleek. But I wasn't like brave enough to walk up to her and say hello, because you know, I don't want to disturb her, and everyone was hanging around her, so I didn't want to like interrupt her. But she's so beautiful. I can't. I need to take a picture with her tonight. So I think she's super nice, and I'm just shook. I'm like fangirling 100%. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to wear tonight. I think something simple. I think, oh my god, like bloggers or influencers from UK are like, I have a like full glam makeup on most of the times, but they have like full glam makeup on tonight. I was like, I thought I had reached like the maximum of putting on makeup, but no girl, I'm natural. Compared to them, I'm like super natural. My friend, I don't know if you guys know her, but she's Makeup by Sanchez, and she didn't know that I was coming to this event as well. So we kept it secret, me and my husband, and then I wanted to surprise her, and she was so in shock. She looked at me and she said hello, and then she said, hello, oh my god, what are you doing here? So that was super nice. We are going to chill later, a little later, glam up together. So that was a nice surprise. I hope you like it, my friends. So yeah, see you guys later, alligator. Hey guys, so I just beat my face. What do you think about my highlighter? What do you think? Boom. Ooh. Okay, so we're going out for dinner with our two friends, Terry and Makeup by Sanchez. We call her Sanchez, but her name is Linda. And oh my gosh, do you see that pimple? And the light looks very bad. So we're going out for dinner, and you know what? Later we're going to party. Woo! we're going to the breakfast, what was it?
The Breakfast Club.
The Breakfast Club, which is pretty well known here in the UK. And I can't wait to get pancakes. I can't wait to get, like, having good coffee. They are super pretty fun girls, and me and the hubby are going to eat now, and then we're leaving London. But we have a very busy week, so see you in a minute with my good breakfast. Hey guys, so we are here in the Netherlands, yay! And currently we are in Rotterdam because I have a meet and greet coming up tomorrow with Easy Party XL, and that is because of the collab that I did with Queen Tarzi. We did a limited edition lashes which will be sold in their stores, so it's going to be a fun meet and greet. Well, hopefully it's going to be fun. We are a little bit tired, but we are okay, right? Yeah, exactly. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it's Tuesday morning, almost afternoon. This is how I look like. This is how my hair looks like when I just washed it and got out of the shower and didn't do anything with it. So it's kind of poofy, but that's okay because tomorrow I have a very exciting day. I'm off to Paris, and yes, I am wearing my travel outfit once again. It's so comfy, you guys, and I don't think it looks like that bad. It's kind of like allowed to look like this when you're traveling. So I'm going to put on my sneakers and go by train. I'm going to Schiphol, which is an airport in Amsterdam, and then from Amsterdam I am meeting with Cynthia. She does PR of NYX. She's the sweetest girl ever, and I'm going to Paris with her, and we have a very exciting day tomorrow. So that's why I'm looking like this. I'm going with no makeup on, with acne on my face, because my skin needs some rest, and tomorrow I have a full face makeup day. So I thought, you know what, I'm not going to do anything with my hair because it will look better tomorrow, and I'm not going to do anything with my skin because I need to do everything that I can to like look good tomorrow. So see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so I just arrived in Paris. Bonjour. And I am in my room, which is like super fancy and pretty. I already made a mess in like 5 minutes, and I quickly want to show you like how pretty everything is. Look at this. This is a super cute lip. I think NYX Cosmetics put it here. I'm not sure, but it's like super NYX, right? And then you have this box that I've already opened with some brushes in it. this super cute bag. I'm worth the hype with some makeup wipes, which is super handy. And then if you come to the room, don't mind the mess please, you will see these super cool duochromatic lip glosses and they look amazing. Then we have this super cute fluffy unicorn with some eyeliners, duochromatic eyeliners. I think these are going to be beautiful for cutting the crease or to create like a halo eye. And then we have some Total Drop Control foundations over here. Contour palette, some new products, I think it's a new one. The Micro Contour Geo Pencil, I think that will be great for like nose contouring and all. And then we have dinner in Paris, which is super fancy. So I'm off for dinner right now with I think another influencer and one colleague of the PR lady. Her name is Cynthia, or else I will be saying PR lady like all the time. But I'm ready. I look like beep, but that's okay. See you later. Hey guys, it's Wednesday morning. I am a little tired, as you can hear. But I had a good sleep, but it was just very short. Today is the day because I'm having a shoot with NYX Cosmetics and I'm kind of excited. I kind of know what to expect, but at the same time, not really, you know what I mean? So I had to do my base and my brows, so I did, but I didn't put a lot of bronzer and, well, I did put a little highlighter, but not a lot of bronzer and blush and all that because I was not sure if I was allowed to do that. So we're having a shoot later. I am really excited, you guys, but I'm just a little tired. I'm not really a morning person. I need my coffee and then I'm like all bubbly and all. So we'll have a breakfast in like half an hour downstairs. Oh my god, I can't wait. I need my coffee. And then we have a shoot. I also really want to take this moment to really appreciate you guys and really yeah, I just want to say thank you because without you guys I wouldn't be like where I am now, and I'm very thankful for all the things that I am able to do because of you. So thank you. I love you. I'm in the studio with NYX. Cynthia's right here. I can't show you the products yet, but I will show you a little around. So guys, it's been a very busy, hectic, but very exciting week, as you can see. Let me know what you think of this weekly vlogs. To be honest, I don't have like a very interesting life like every day because all I do is, I think my husband is there editing. Hubby? Yeah, he is. So we're editing and filming and editing and filming, but when I have like exciting things coming up, I will definitely share it with you guys. Also, if you're wondering what's on my face, it's the new, well, at least it's new in the Netherlands. It's the Glam Glow glitter mask, and I was so excited to receive this mask because I love glitter and I love this mask. I absolutely love Glam Glow. I think I have all of their masks except for Water Burst. I really want to try that one as well because I think it's very hydrating. But I have used, I'll show it to you, this glitter mask. So what this mask does is firm, lift, tighten and tone your skin for sexy looking and feeling contours. So I have to leave it on for 20 or 30 minutes and oh my god, my skin does need some treatment because, as I said, it's a hectic week and I didn't drink a lot of water, which you really have to do if you want your skin to look Bang. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you liked it. And again, let me know what you think of these weekly vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And follow me everywhere on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Facebook. And it's all called Tilang Sawa. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Love you. Bye. Bye, Hub.
Bye.